And this will leave me enough of a tail to weave in any ends I need to weave in. Actually, I don't need that much. There. That's good. I just need a little bit. Now I'm doing a super, super stretchy E-wrap cast on. Let me show you. See how nice that looks, but look how much stretch it has. It actually stretches more than the yarn itself, which that's due to the fact that there's cotton in there. Cotton doesn't really have a lot of stretch to it. But you can see where there's elastic in it. Love this yarn. Okay, so you're going to E-wrap your peg once. What I do is I actually put my hook underneath, E-wrap it once, and then E-wrap it a second time, because that makes it easier to knit off. So E-wrap once, E-wrap a second time, knit off, once and the second time. So do this all the way around the loom. Our cast on is done. And one thing I like is, since we're doing E-wrapping 2 times and knitting off, all the colors are right together. So I think that's neat. Okay,